along with all of you to congratulate Gulshan ji, Gulshan and Sanjay for this fantastic cover and Society magazine as well for such a wonderful quality and such a wonderful job and meeting all of you after so long. It's so nice to see you all. And also meeting Chaitanya.
Yes, here.
I've seen him after ages.
It's an honor to reconnect with you.
It's such a pleasure to meet all of you. It's so nostalgic, grown up meeting and seeing all of you during my film work that I was doing. So, yes, and the Paps are here.
You're just the same even now. So don't say yesteryears, it's now. So you just, wow, like an actress, yeah. The present time.
And Gulshan is looking really cool here.
Sanjay is looking better.
Sanjay is looking better, but Gulshan Grover is Gulshan Grover.
Say a few lines about Sanjay.
And Sanjay is also looking cool, but why isn't he here?
He's in London shooting a film.
He's shooting a film, so that's more important, definitely. But I would like to congratulate Gulshan and his son for this wonderful jodi and this great pictures. And I haven't read the article yet, but I will do that since this is mine, right?
Yes, it
Ye
is.
mera hai.
Yes.
So I have a good read, and it's wonderful to see you all on the cover. The jodi, I mean, they look like brothers actually, I think.
Right.
They do.
They do look like brothers, yes.
Gulshan, do tell us about your association with Sanjay Grover.
चूँकि मैंने पहले शुरू में भी कहा कि हमेशा से पर पिछले 2 साल से मैं कोई एक्टर बैडमैन गुलशन ग्रोवर नहीं हूँ, मैं सिर्फ एक फादर हूँ, पिता हूँ. All that I've been thinking, doing is being a father. As Sonami, the editor, Andrea's daughter is the editor of this particular issue. There she is, Sonami.
Special issue.
Special issue. And of course, Andrea is the editor-in-chief of everything. And those young girls standing behind are part of the editorial team. And of course, Ashok Dhamankar, the publisher, and the entire team of Magnet. Ashok Dhamankar की वाइफ भी खड़ी है सामने. Because it's all about, to be very honest, when you read Deepak, छोड़ना नहीं. It's all, when you start to read this issue, Sangeeta, you realize that what a wonderful achiever this young man Sanjay Grover is. As Boni a few seconds back mentioned that Boni, when he went to Hollywood along with Sanjay, how within seconds Sanjay could open the doors of every big Hollywood studio. Took Boni to every big studio, and these are Boni's words that he said right here. Every big shot in Hollywood welcomes Sanjay with such a warm smile, and that makes the father feel very happy that how, while like initially went to study in Hollywood in UCLA, and then how he became a film producer at MGM's headquarters under his mentor Mary Parent. And yes, and today we're all here. Of course, you are my friends, but it's all primarily because of Sanjay. So please say 2 lines about my son, Sanjay.
I'd like to congratulate Sanjay because in छोटी उम्र में इतना बड़ा काम कर रहे हैं, and to be Hollywood and open doors like he says, it's not easy over there. It's even more difficult. यहाँ तो अपने लोग होते हैं, but वहाँ पे ऐसा काम करना, it's a huge achievement, and I really commend him for that and his talent, and I really wish him all the best from my heart, and may he go places and may he go higher and make his father even more proud.
Thank you. Thank you. Over to you, Vijay.
The questions. Can we please have our team, entire team for the
Edition and feeling of Society Achievers.
Well, it's overwhelming to be part of celebration of Sanjay, Gulshan, father and son together, rather son and father together. I've known Gulshan for over 40 years, and I've known Sanjay for, ever since he was born. So it's really heartening to see that he started his journey in Hollywood, now he's here in Bombay, and traveling all over across the globe, making his mark. He's a very bright boy. He's someone who will make his mark very soon. He will make his father proud. He will make all of us proud. And I'm sure one day he'll make the country proud too. He has that kind of talent. He has that kind of energy. He is an amazing kid who I feel, एक क्लीशे कहावत है कि जैक ऑफ ऑल के मास्टर ऑफ नन. ये ना, he is master of all and jack of none.
Wow.
Master of all and jack of none. That's how smart he is. I wish him luck for a great, glorious journey in future for his future, and I hope he rises up and up and up and makes his father prouder. His father is proud of him even now, but he should be even more proud. One day you will find Gulshan Grover probably gaining 1 or 2 feet more height just because of his son Sanjay. He has that quality, and I'm sure he will do it. Gulshan ji, ठीक बोल रहा हूँ मैं?
Thank you so much. I'm so overwhelmed and emotional hearing this.
I don't see the tears, but I believe that you are overwhelmed. और कुछ पूछना चाहेंगे?
सर, आप क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे? एक तो आपके पुराने मित्र इस
मेरा हो गया?
लोकेशन में नहीं, आप उनके
तो किससे पूछ रहे अभी आप?
भाभी गुलशन सर।
नहीं, मेरा खत्म करो फिर उधर जाओ.
नहीं, बोनी जी को पूछो भाई.
सो बोनी सर, जब इतने पुराने मित्र इतने सोसाइटी जैसे पेजेस पे आते हैं, तो क्या कुछ मेमोरी जो एक टाइम का मेमोरी जो आप शेयर करना चाह रहे हो विद ऑडियंस?
मैंने अपने मेमोरीज के बारे में बताया ना कि जब ये घर पे आते थे.
बट ऐसा मेमोरीज जो अभी तक आपने किसी को नहीं बताया हो, और आई एम श्योर वो मेमोरीज जरूर होंगे सर की रिलेटेड.
खैर, इतनी बड़ी बात मैंने बताई. हम दिल्ली प्रीमियर पे जब गए थे तो हर थिएटर में हम जाते थे तो बोलते गुलशन उधर ही का रहने वाला है. इससे बड़ी मेमोरी क्या हो सकती है?
सर, जैसे कि जब फादर सन की बॉन्डिंग की बात हो रही है, अगर आपके फादर सन की बॉन्डिंग की बात करें, ये जिस प्रकार काफ़ी इमोशनल हो गए, अभी भी देख सकते हैं हम, काफ़ी खुश है. आपके जो अर्जुन कपूर सर है, उनके और आपकी बॉन्डिंग की बात करें तो कुछ स्पेशल है?
जैसे हर फादर सन की होती है, डिग्रीज वेरी. अब गुलशन की मतलब होता ना कि ही इज़ अ फादर एंड मदर एंड फ्रेंड टू संजय. Similarly, I am a father, mother, and a friend to my son Arjun. Sanjay has been away from Gulshan, staying in Hollywood, Los Angeles for a long, long time. So sometimes distance creates more love. Similarly, मेरे और अर्जुन के साथ भी ये है कि we have been very close to each other while he's not been abroad, while he's not stayed away for 16 years. But the affection of a father and son is there and will remain. I mean, this is something which is there in Indian culture, whether it's a son or it's a daughter. A father figure, has to have this feeling of feeling proud of his children and wait for the kind of, the kind of success that they are working for. And it's very important for all the fathers to feel proud of their children. Like I do I feel very, very proud of all my 4 children, be it Anshula, be it Arjun, be it Janvi, be it Kushi, and Sanjay also.
Thank you.
He's also like a son to me. Now these kids are doing themselves very proud, making their parents proud, making the entire fraternity proud, and I hope they reach their peak very soon and make the country proud.
इवन सर, जैसे संजय सर और गुलशन सर को हम बैक्टिंग के थ्रू एक साथ देखें, आपको और अर्जुन सर को कभी आगे ऑन स्क्रीन या फिर ऐसा डायरेक्शन ऐसा कुछ देख सकते हैं?
क्योंकि आप तेवर की शूटिंग तो आए नहीं थे ना. हाँ, तेवर की जब प्रेस मीट तो आए नहीं थे. अब कभी क्या, हम कई बार साथ में रहते हैं, कई बार होते हैं, कई तस्वीरें कई जगह. अब आप शायद कहीं ना कहीं छुप जाती होंगी, या मेरे से डर के या अर्जुन से डर के.
दमें छोटी थी,
तो उसमें मेरी गलती तो नहीं है.
फिर भी अगर साथ में फिर से देखना चाहेंगे तो
अब देखेंगे. अभी मैं फिल्म शुरू कर रहा हूँ, नो एंट्री में एंट्री, जिसमें अर्जुन भी है. मतलब ही इज देयर विद वरुण, दलजीत, एंड अर्जुन इज द थर्ड हीरो इन द फिल्म.
Sir, in the future, will you be seeing you and Gulshan ji or Sanjay ji working together?
Well, I would love to see all of us working together. The spirit remains the same as it was 42 or 43 years back. 89 में हमने शुरू की थी पिक्चर में, तो 89 से अब तक कितने हो गए? 46 years हो गए ना? 35. No. 89. हाँ, 89 से 36.
35-36
तो खैर देख लो, हम काउंट भी भूल जाते हैं, इतने साल हम साथ हैं। बट फैक्ट ये है कि शुरू पिक्चर तब हुई थी, पर जान पहचान उससे पहले थी, क्योंकि दे ऑल वेंट टू द सेम एक्टिंग स्कूल ऑफ रोशन तनेजा, एंड आई थिंक 2 years or 3 years they were together before they could get their breaks, and I've known them since then, and they've only grown where their personality is concerned, where their persona is concerned. I mean, they have mastered their art. Gulshan has mastered the art of playing a bad man. Anil has mastered the art of playing bad man, good man, old man, young man, which Gulshan also has done. I mean, he has played varied kind of roles. And Shashi, of course, he is one person who has created a niche for himself. He has created, an awareness what it is not just cinema, it is not just films. Television also is equally important. The exposure television gives to the actors is as important as the films, perhaps at times even more important. So he with his wife Anu has brought that also in the forefront, and I feel that's a great job done. साल या 2 साल पहले मुझे बुलाया था कोई अवार्ड देने के लिए, तो उस वक्त मुझे अंदाज़ा हुआ कि मतलब जो इन्होंने अचीव किया है बहुत कम लोगों ने अचीव किया इन दैट पर्टिकुलर फील्ड, एंड टुडे their award and their citation, ITA and various other things that they do has a lot of respect, and so I have a lot of respect for them too, for all what they do. They have got 2 lovely daughters who are doing well for themselves, and it's a happy family, and it feels good to see the 2 of them together as they were when they began the journey. And incidentally, before I met Anu, before I could see them married, I knew Anu's father, which probably the world is not aware, maybe only Anu is aware. We were together at the Jindal farm. I was there to give company to my late wife Mona, and he was there also to regenerate himself because he wanted to live longer to see that Anu gets married to the right man. Finally, he succeeded in getting the right man for Anu, because Shashi is a fantastic friend, he's a nice person and very, very innovative. And I think both of them have done a great job in whatever they have done so far. अब ये है कि इन्होंने हाल में एक राकेश रोशन और रोशन के ऊपर एक नेटफ्लिक्स के लिए कंटेंट भी बनाया जो सब जगह मतलब अप्रिशिएट हुआ है. तो आई एम श्योर दे विल कंटिन्यू द गुड वर्क. माई गुड विशेज आर विद देम एंड दे विल always be with them.
We are in our 25th year of IT Awards.
See, 25th year of IT Award, मतलब मेरे पैदा होने से पहले नहीं शुरू. तो मैं सिर्फ 24 का हूँ, 25 साल तो ये लगेगा.
Sir, Boni sir, with your new rejuvenated slim look, you are getting a lot of acting offers also. आपका ये look जबरदस्त.
मैं वेट कर रहा हूँ चैतन्य कब मेरे पास आएगा एक ऑफर लेके. हाँ.
बोनी जी एकदम हॉट हो गए हैं.
मैं तो वेट कर रहा हूँ.
Honestly, I mean.
दो रिपीट करो, क्या बोल रहे थे तुम?
Like people are saying, who is this new star kid on the block? मतलब
किस
तरह से या मतलब
नहीं
rejuvenated.
Kid is the right word.
हाँ.
This is all thanks to my friends in media, the photographers who make me look young. मैं उनको बताता हूँ भैया नीचे से लो, ये सही एंगल है, कुछ अपने आप को और मतलब.
ये तो फैक्ट है, you are looking younger and more dashing every day. ये तो सत्य है, क्योंकि वो उनको जो जिस कोने से जहाँ से मौका मिल जाता फोटो खींचते हैं, बिकॉज अदरवाइज they'll miss the photo. करेक्ट है भाई योगेश.
अभी आई थिंक कुछ ज़्यादा तारीफ होगी है मेरी. The main event is of Sanjay and Gulshan. Let's talk of Sanjay and Gulshan.
A word about the young editor and Andrea as well.
Well, I would like to thank the young editor and the young editor Tsunami and her mother Andrea. And of course the entire team of society and their head Ashok. I have known Ashok also for over 40 years. मैं अशोक को जानता हूँ जब पूरे बाल थे उसके पास।
Ashok sir, please come closer, no?
अशोक
Please,
सर
sir.
एक टाइम पे इनके बाल भरे रहते थे, मतलब जुल्फे रहती थी और ये बाल झटकते
बाल
थे।
बचे
अब कुछ कम हो गए, मैं इनको बोल रहा हूँ मेरे डॉक्टर के पास जाओ, बाल लगाओ। मैं भी बाल इम्प्लांट किया। तो मैंने इनसे भी कहा है कि आप भी बाल इम्प्लांट करो, ताकि ये लेगेसी जो सोसाइटी की स्टार्टस की जो है, जो इनके हाथ में इस वक्त है, उसको आगे लेके चले।
Friends,
Thank you very much, and I'll take your leave.
friends, good evening. I want to thank Boni and Gulshan, especially for Gulshan giving us the opportunity and Anuranjan. Okay, Gulshan ने हमें एक ऐसी opportunity दी है, उससे एक हमारा सौभाग्य है कि गुलशन की जो स्टोरी है, लाइफ स्टोरी around with his son, which we have presented in Nigerian Society Achievers, and I hope everyone like it. It's a story, something which is father and son together, and how a son has started the leading from Bollywood to Hollywood, and now is Bollywood back to Bollywood. It's very interesting, and I'm sure everyone will love it. Special thanks, Boni. Boni is like a family to us. Our relationship starts with almost 50 years ago when our chairman Mr. Hira वहीं से चालू हुई है, and we will love to continue with the same. In fact, Mr. Hira is not here today, but his legacy is definitely we going to carry forward for years too. Thank you so much for all the friends supporting us and giving. Please give us a support like this. Thank you so much. Yes, I also want to thank our friend Bright योगेश जी आए हुए हैं, बहुत देर आए लेकिन आए हुए हैं। थैंक यू सो मच योगेश जी।
योगेश
Anuji,
अनुजी
खाली पिक्चर के लिए।
खाली पिक्चर के लिए।
मुझे अपने बारे में कोई बात नहीं करनी है। धन्यवाद। मैं सिर्फ ये बताना चाहता हूँ, ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि मेरे भाई दोस्त बोनी की बात सुनकर, मेरी भाभी, मेरे दोस्त शशि की वाइफ अनु जी की बात सुनकर, और फोन बंद कर, ये मेरे बेटे के बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ, बिल्कुल बर्दाश्त नहीं करूँगा फोन। तो नहीं, मैं पिछले 2 साल से कोई एक्टर नहीं हूँ, सिर्फ एक पिता हूँ। 2 साल पहले मेरा बेटा हॉलीवुड से वहाँ पर कुछ 16 साल लॉस एंजलिस में था, 13-14 साल हॉलीवुड के स्टूडियो MGM में, उस MGM के हेडक्वार्टर्स में फिल्म प्रोड्यूसर था। As very kindly बोनी said कि कुछ समय पहले संजय और बोनी हॉलीवुड गए थे, US गए थे, and संजय that's very kind of you कि किसी भी स्टूडियो में, whether it was Sony Pictures, Netflix, Amazon, everywhere, Sanjay had relationships and they had great warmth reaction from them. Of course, legendary producer Boni Kapoor, but Sanjay to नींद में Boni uncle, Boni uncle, Boni uncle. So many goras have said, where's Boni uncle? तो Boni uncle गए, तो मुझे बहुत खुशी है, मैं बहुत आभारी हूँ पैनल पब्लिकेशन का, सीनियर एडिटर एंड्रिया कॉस्टब्रीथ, यंग एडिटर सोनामी कॉस्टब्रीथ, and all those young girls standing there, they're all part of the editorial team, they work very hard in the publication. सामने बैठे हुए बहुत सारे मैगजीन के जो पूरे collaborators, contributors हैं, चाहे वो मारिया हो, चाहे बाकी कहाँ गए सभी के सब, तो all of them have made this possible to come up with this issue on my son Sanjay Grover, जिसमें मैं supporting रोल में हूँ, क्योंकि मुझे वही रोल पसंद है और मैं उसी में बहुत खुश हूँ। और मेरा ख्याल है कि जो इन्होंने लिखा भी है कि संजय ग्रोवर्स ग्लोबल गेम प्लान या संजय ग्रोवर्स दिस थिंग, जिस प्रकार से हर पिता चाहता है, हर पेरेंट चाहता है कि उसका बच्चा कुछ ऐसा करे, कुछ इस तरह से, you know, like he takes everything forward मैं भी ऐसा ही चाहता हूँ. I'm extremely happy and grateful for the entire publication group to come up with this issue and give us this very, very special moment, where we're standing here and unveiling the magazine. And I'm very happy, very interested that all of you read this magazine because it shows a young person's journey. A young person's journey in Hollywood, young person's journey here. And as my friend Boni and my bhabi ya mere bhai ki beewi, किस तरह से present करूँ, Anu ji has spoken about Sanjay and has sort of in their few lines given their blessings to Sanjay. I'm extremely happy, humbled, honored and confused. Thank you.